Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Siri shortcuts on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. And after that, tap on the settings button in the upper right corner. Scroll down until you find the general section, and within this section you can find the Siri shortcuts option, so click on it. And here you can enable it by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen. As you can see, Siri will need to relearn your Line usage patterns before new Siri shortcuts can appear. As you have or if you have disabled this setting once. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.